Okay, what is up, boys? So this is gonna be the third video of the boot camp. Today is going to be liquidity sweeps. Um, and then tomorrow is gonna be break of structure. Okay. So what a liquidity sweep basically is there's a high or a low that's formed. So right here, let me just circle it. It's a high. Okay, high and another high. Do you see how this candle wick sweeps this high right here, and then we have a rejection off of it? So the candle opens right here, closes right here. Okay, we went over that in the first video. The wick, it's the highest price points goes to. Price comes all the way back down to here, does its thing for, a couple hours. It comes up and sweeps the highest point of this candle, the highest point of the uptrend. Right here, sweeps it. Circle just the point of swept. Right there. Okay. I drew a line across it. That's what most people do. They put a liquidity sweep. They go like this and draw a line. See where it breaks it. And we have a rejection off of it. Do you see how the candle basically sweeps it and then comes all the way back down? That is a liquidity sweep. Very, very simple. Okay. That's a bearish liquidity sweep. Basically means we're sweeping buy side and then we're continuing to go down. See? And we just crash, 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 crash. And this is a way bigger liquidity sweep, okay? So we have liquidity all the way back here. We have this low right here. Circle it. We have this low right here, okay? Right there. It's the lowest point, or I guess it would actually be this point. It's like one tick lower, but that's technically the point right there. And we draw a line, and we go all the way across, and we wait for that to get swept. Waiting, 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 waiting. Still waiting right there, okay. Gets swept right here. And you see how we have a huge reaction off of that? This candle opens right here, comes all the way down to here, and then ends up closing right there. Okay. Like, that just shows that we have a bullish price action now, and that's what we end up doing. We end up then having this huge, huge upward move. Okay. It's a liquidity sweep. It's that simple. Right here, we just came back down. We didn't sweep this low, though. This is not a liquidity sweep, okay? Oops. This is not a liquidity sweep. See how we did not come down and sweep this low? This wick would have to come all the way down to here, like that. It would have to be like that, basically sweeping this low point. It did not do that, so that's not a liquidity sweep. We're just, continuing the uptrend. That was just a really, really deep retracement. We go all the way back up. All the way back up to here. Keep going. See if I can find another liquidity sweep on here. Give you guys a couple of examples. This is how the market moves. It moves off of liquidity sweeps. Liquidity sweep right there. Okay, right there. Right here. So this is the highest point. Come across. Bam, right there. We have a liquidity sweep. Okay. Takes the high. Crashes off of it. Continues down. We swept this liquidity right here. See? Happens literally multiple times a day. This low right here. Draw a line across it. Sweeps it. And we rally up off of it. See? This high right here. Same thing. Draw a line across it. It's your highest point. Right here. Sweeps above it. Crashes all the way down. See? Happens a bajillion fucking times. Like, this is some basic ass shit. Literally, it happens right here, too. Like, the high, draw a line across, sweeps, crashes. All the way down to this point right here, which then sweeps this low, this low, this low, all of these, engineered liquidity lows, and then we just continue up and up and up and up and up, and then we're at the previous day. But it's so basic, so it's such a basic thing. It's basically just a liquidity sweep. I want you guys to go into your chart and find a couple of those. I want you guys to find 5 bearish examples, which is it's gonna sound weird, but bearish examples are actually sweeping highs. Okay, so a bearish example would be this. Liquidity sweep, and then we go down. Even though we're sweeping a high, this is a bearish example. And then a bullish example would be something like, this. This is an actual liquidity sweep, or it kind of is, but it's not a very good one. But a bullish example, basically, we sweep a low. sweep this low, then we rally up. And I want you guys to find 5 examples of bearish, 5 examples of bullish. That's your guys' kind of homework for today. And then kind of just review the candlesticks, review the trends too. It does not hurt to review everything. And this works on any time frame: 1 minute, 5 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily. The higher time frame you go, the more power the liquidity sweep is going to hold. So let's see if I can find a high time frame liquidity sweep right here. So we have this low right here. Okay, Nasdaq puts in a low on July 25th. On August 25th, exactly a month later. Coincidence? I think not, but I don't know. I guess people will say that. And you can see right here, sweeps it, and we just rally. Like, you could have caught this trade, held it for a long couple of days. Like, you can't even see how many points that is. It's so much. It's 1,141 points. Like, if that doesn't, tell you that liquidity sweep works, I don't know what will. But just go find a couple examples. Maybe find 3 on the 1 hour, 3 on the 15, 3 on the 5, and then do the opposite of bullish or bearish, whatever one you did first. 3 on the 15, 3 on the 5, 3 on the 4 hour. That's kind of my homework I give you guys. Practice makes perfect, but you have to practice it perfectly if you want it to be perfect, okay? And if you don't understand liquidity sweep, watch the video again. It doesn't hurt to watch it again. I'll do one more example of a bullish one right here. See, low gets put in by the Nasdaq, sweeps it. This one does not sweep it though. See, very close, but it doesn't sweep it. Couple point difference. That's just a really, really hard retracement, and then we rally off of it. That's a liquidity sweep. So that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next one, and we'll go over break structure.